In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on your Pioneer DJ CDJ-3000. Now, keeping your firmware up to date ensures that your gear runs smoothly with the latest features and fixes. So let's get started. First, power on your CDJ and press and hold the menu button to go into the utility menu. Located in the top right corner will be the firmware that is currently installed on your CDJs. On mine right here, it's version 3.11. Make a note of it and then we can go and check online to see if there's an update. Now, on your laptop, plug in an empty USB drive, and following advice from one of my previous videos, I'll try and put the link here somewhere, ensure that it's formatted to FAT32 for best compatibility or exFAT. You want to use an empty USB stick to avoid accidentally deleting any important files, of course. Next, go to the Pioneer DJ support website. If you go into downloads, select firmware and click CDJ-3000 from the product list. Then click on firmware here to get to the appropriate page. You'll see notes on what issues the firmware addressed and any new functions available. Scroll down the page and click the download link. Go ahead and download the update instructions as well if you like while you're waiting for the firmware to download. Now, locate the downloaded firmware file and extract it out of the zip file. Should be here somewhere. There we go. So copy it across to the root of the USB drive. Do not be tempted to put it in a folder. With previous model CDJs, you had to create a folder called Pioneer, but don't do that for CDJ-3000 firmware updates. Now we come back to the CDJ, so turn it off before you do anything else. Now press and hold down the in queue and re-loop exit buttons at the same time. Keep them pressed down, then press the power on button on the back. This will display the update screen. It may take a few seconds for that to appear. Keep holding those two buttons. Then follow the on-screen prompt to connect your USB drive into the top USB port. Okay, on screen it says checking update file, please wait. So I've got version 3.11, it's updating to version 3.19. Main is 50 something percent, 60 something, 70, and it says panel 100%. So the update process can take a few minutes. It's important not to turn the power off or to remove the USB drive during the update, so be careful with that. So once the update is complete, the CDJ will prompt you to turn off and on before using. What I'll do next is turn it back on again at the back. I'll go back into the utility menu by pressing and holding the menu button once the screen is ready, and I can check that the version matches the version I've just downloaded. Excellent. In the top right corner of the utility menu, and I just press menu again, quick short press to get back to the standard operating screen. And just a few troubleshooting tips just in case things don't go so smoothly for you. If the update fails, make sure that you ensure the USB is formatted correctly. Double check that the firmware file isn't inside a subfolder, and try using a different USB drive. That should be it. Your CDJ-3000 is now up to date and ready to perform. Again, remember, keeping your firmware updated helps to avoid any technical issues and ensures that you're using the latest features that Pioneer DJ or Alpha Theta has to offer. I'm interested to know, have you ever had any issues with firmware updates? Share your experiences in the comments for other people to read. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, drop me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more DJ tips, tricks, and mixes. I'm DJ Hurley from MKFM. Until next time, keep spinning, stay creative, and I'll see you in the mix.